Hi everyone and welcome to Fashion Toolbox. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little mini whistle stop tour of CLO-SET and how you can comment and collaborate within the space. So let's dive in and take a look. So within CLO-SET, there is a little bit of a hierarchy within the folders, pretty much like any filing system. You start off with your company, and then within your company, you have your brands. And within the brands, you then have your seasons. And then you have your workrooms, and your workrooms is where all of your styles are saved. So when I click onto my workroom, I have quite a few of demo products here. I can click on any of these, and as default, this will load in as a 2D image. So it's just 2D front view. We can't rotate this round or anything. It is just what it is. If you do want to change that view, just here on the left-hand side, you can see that you can change to your 3D, 2D pattern view, and then the 2D image, which we are on at the moment. You can tell that because it's highlighted in blue. So if I switch to the 3D viewer, within here, I can completely move around in 360 view of the item. I can zoom in using my scroll wheel. I can click and hold on my right button to move around, just as you can in CLO. And the left mouse button literally does nothing in this space, but you can still rotate by clicking and holding your right and zoom in with your scroll. The shout keys for your views also work. So you've got 2 for the straight on view, 1 for the side facing off to the right, 3 for the side facing off to the left, and then your complete side views 4 and 6, 8 for your back view, so you can quickly take a look at the area that you're wanting to look at. But other than that, it's great to just rotate. If you want to add in any comments, comment section is just here. So you click on the pen with the plus, and I actually already have some comments saved in here, but I will show you how you can add additional. So the great thing about having your comments in is that when you select on them, it will highlight the area with the comment. It will also circle around to that location as well. Say if it's on the back, like this one, for example, it circles around to show you the exact location where the comment has been added. So say we wanted to add a new comment, say that I want to maybe add a button here on the cuff. I can click here to create annotation. I then have the option I can add an image. I can write with the pencil tool. I can draw a line. I can draw a curved line. I can draw a circle, and I can draw a square as well. If you just want to add a comment, it is literally just the first one here, which is like the little text box. So I can click where I want to add the comment, and I'm going to say add a button here. I already made a comment to reduce the length of the cuff, so I'm not going to add that one again. I'm just going to maybe add a button this time. Add button closure ×2. I can now post that, which will set that in location. But before I do anything else, I'm also going to draw a circle around it. So I can draw on a circle, and once that's drawn, I can also move that into location. I can resize if I need to, and I can change the color and the thickness of the line and everything here. So I will change it. Maybe let's change it to a blue so that it's different to the others. And I'm going to change the line thickness. That is not doing anything on the current one that I've done. That must be for a new one. So if I draw a new one now, move out. There we go. So it looks like it can't be edited once it's done, but you can select the color and everything first and then draw your shape, and that will apply. I'm just going to go back to the arrow tool so that I can select this one and delete it. I don't want that one there. But that is maybe everything that I want to add on for this comment, or I could add a reference image. I can add anything in here that I want to make that comment a little bit clearer. So I can just click complete once I've done with the whole comment, and that will take you out of the function so that you can then add further comments. If you go on with that menu still open, it will continue with the same number comment, so that you will have a number 5, for example, and you will have a load of different comments on that number 5, but you want to complete to finish it each time and then start a new comment, just the same way that we did from the beginning. So I can come in and add a new comment in here, but just cancel that off a second. So I can change the location. Definitely get your location right first. And then I'm going to put in a comment here. There looks to be something wrong with the corduroy here. I'll put in corduroy. Please fix. And then I can draw a circle around again. Went tiny. I can always resize that and move it into position. Click post and click on complete once you are done. Those comments will then all be saved. And again, if you want to view each one, you just click in through and it will show you the location where each of those have been added. It loads up with the view that you've saved it in as well. So if you do zoom in, like for example, when I zoomed into the collar to do that view, it will zoom in with that comment as well. These can be exported as a PDF. So if you would prefer to share manually, maybe this is going over on an email, there's a little PDF button just here where you can download the comments. And then the PDF comments look like this. So it will do a page per comment. And these can be added into your tech pack or wherever else to keep a record of your feedback. Okay, so that's everything on the comments. I do hope that you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please feel free to subscribe and watch out for further content. Thank you. Bye-bye.